What's poppin', chef, and happy holidays. In this video, I'll be showing you different Jersey Club patterns you can use in your tracks. Now, I got two sounds from the Jersey Club Essential Drum Kit. It's the Nightclub 808 and the Brick Kick. Now, you can use the channel rack or the playlist. Either way it'll work out. The channel rack is a bit more convenient since you can place it anywhere, but you can also put it in a playlist if you feel like it. One standard method is just by doing this pattern. Now there's 3 down, and then there's another one on the 3rd section and last bar, and on the 4th bar there's another one in the 3rd section, and it sounds like this. Now you can do the same thing with the 808 and it'll still be fine. Now, when using drum samples and 808s on FL, it's best to make sure that you right click and cut itself. That way it doesn't overlap each other. Now some sounds may be short enough that it doesn't overlap, but you never know. So it's best just to keep it on. Now I'm gonna go to another pattern and do another type of Jersey Club drum pattern. Now I'm gonna do this. Now this pattern is good if you want to switch up or you're about to transition to another section of your Jersey Club track. And the same thing, you can copy it directly to the 808, it'll be fine. That's perfectly fine. Now, if you're wondering if you can only use the kick or only use the 808, you can do whatever you feel like. It's up to your preference. So if I just want to use the 808, could. Now, I'm gonna show you another pattern. Now, this is like the first pattern, but you only took out the second section. Now, same thing, you can place it on the 808 if you feel like it, and it sounds like this. Now another variant of that, you can do this. Now what I did in this one is just took away the first bar of the 3rd section. Now this is good if you're doing some chops and you want to incorporate like a little drop in between. It would be pretty nice to do. Same thing, you can put it into your 808s or kicks and it sounds like this. Now I showed you that in the channel rack, and I'm gonna show you the same thing in the playlist view. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna drag the 808 here, and Now, as you can see, it was a bit more tedious putting the 808s down on the playlist because the 808 is a bit longer than the notes. Now you could stretch it, but some sounds may not sound too good stretched. As you can see, the first 3 bars I had the standard Jersey Club drum pattern. The 4th bar going into the 5th bar, I changed it up as seen on the 3rd pattern. I took away the 2nd bar on the 1st section, and it sounds like this. And like I mentioned earlier, it's good for like transitions, or if you wanna just switch it up and not keep the same thing going over and over again. It's pretty nice to do. Now I'm gonna just put all of them put together in a 4-bar loop, and you can see how they sound. Now, as you can see, like each bar had its own unique little variant, and that could be very pleasing to the ear if you have like a lot of things going on, or you just want to give it a nice flair. Now, it could get boring if you do it over and over again, but like if you use these patterns on unique spots, it could really give your track a nice flair. Now I'm playing it one more time, and that'll be it. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite Jersey Club pattern. And if you want more tips or have questions, comment below or join the Discord, the ID Club. And me and the other guys will be happy to help you there. I'll see you in the next one.